empty, so if you do want to have family gatherings, just hang out with your friends, you can do that. And this is our gym.
It's a gym.
It's fully equipped.
Mm-hmm.
So we have, as you see, we have a lot of different equipment here, and also in the gym there is bathrooms. You can clean yourself up after.
Okay, there's a
nice
washrooms too.
workout.
Bathrooms. Alright.
So aren't there any precautions for this COVID-19 and everything?
So we have wipes and disinfectant sprays after you're done using it, just wipe it down.
Okay, we have to buy the different for the COVID.
Yes, after you're done, you just wipe it down.
That is good.
And what are the timings for the gym?
Pardon me?
What are the timings?
The gym is open 24/7.
24/7, nice.
Whatever time you want, however you want, doesn't matter. Just say you want to come at 3 o'clock in the morning, the gym is open, so you can come in 3
Mm-hmm.
o'clock in the morning.
And do we get a private instructor for the gym?
No.
Okay.
So,
Is there any for safety instructor at all for the gym?
no.
Okay. Sure.
So over here is our hammocks and volleyball, and there's also a light that comes on at night, so you don't be in the dark. So say if you didn't want to play volleyball at night, you can do that.
Mm-hmm.
So do you know if any of your friends ride the bus?
Yeah, most of them will.
So that bus stop right there is the first stop that goes to UF, so it's like first seating, so you can choose wherever you sit.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know if that's helpful for them or not, because I know sometimes the bus can be crowded or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So they'll have first choice if they move here, because it's the first stop of the day.
All right.
And it takes about 10 minutes to get to UF.
Mm-hmm.
And over here we have our basketball court, and that also has one of the night lights, so you don't be playing basketball in the dark. So
Sure.
we have our mail room, and also if you have big packages, they come to the office and you show ID, and that's how you get your packages. They won't just give it to you and say, hey, I live here.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want that kind of security, at least you know no
Yeah.
one will be able to get it without their ID and showing proof
And
that they live in the
each apartment will have a separate security, or there will be a central security at the gate.
So I don't know if they have security at the gate. I
Mm-hmm.
really don't know that. But I know for the mail, everyone shares okay, so let's say your building, everyone shares the same
Mm-hmm.
box. So each room has the same box. It doesn't have different separate ones.
I see.
So, yeah. And we also have a dog park. It's a little bit further down. You might not be able to see it.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like, I don't know how to even describe it. It's just like a funny looking area with a gate.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the community is pretty quiet, so you don't really have to worry about people being loud or noisy.
Okay.
It's a quiet area. Everyone pretty much keeps to themselves. They're just trying to
Mm-hmm.
get on with life.
All right.
And this is our 4-3 model.
It's 4x3.
Yes.
All right.
So in the model, you will get the TV, of course, the 2 tables,
Mhm.
the couches, and you do not get anything in the balcony area. You can come in if you want to.
Okay. This
And
will
you
be
do
empty.
get no, you don't get nothing out there. It's just empty. You put your own furniture there. But you do get the table, but you don't get the stuff on it. But you do the table and chairs.
Mm-hmm.
And all the counters are the same. They all have washers and a sink tray disposal.
Mm-hmm.
And then microwave, your stove.
This is induction. Okay.
And then this is your refrigerator. They're all pretty much the same way. And if you are thirsty, you can grab something to drink out of there.
All right. This will be filled up easily.
Literally, you feel the moment someone grabs something out of it.
And this is the dishwasher.
No, this is the dishwasher. That's the oven.
Okay. So this microwave and oven. This is the dishwasher.
And
All
this
right.
will be your pantry where all your snacks are stored. And as you see, the moment anything is gone, this is where we get it from.
Mm.
And this is where your AC unit is, but this door is always locked.
Is this what I think it is.
This is for your washer and dryer, which is on the other side. And that
Okay.
one is mainly just the washer and dryer in it. And each one gets a washer and dryer in it, so you don't have to worry about paying for getting your clothes washed somewhere else because it comes with it. So it does have little racks in it. It does have all that.
Yeah.
This room, you will never get to open it no matter how hard you try because this is your AC unit and only maintenance goes in there and that's when they do all the repairs and all that.
All right.
So each apartment has a separate unit, AC unit.
Pardon me?
Each apartment has a separate AC unit.
Yes.
Okay, so there is a thermostat somewhere then. Thermostat to adjust temperatures.
Let me see where exactly. I know it's somewhere close on the wall, right there.
All right.
So that's where the thermostat is, so you can change the temperature. Me, I always leave my house 60 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why. I just like to be freezing when I get off of work. But this is what the shared look like. Every room, you will get the mattress, the bed thingamajigger, and the dressers, the two sides, the desk, and then that one.
Yeah, it's
all
quite
have
spacious though.
Yeah, but you will not. Another thing you will not get. You will not get this curtain rod or curtains. That's something you have to buy on your own. And those shelves on the wall, those do not come in there at all.
They are also not coming.
No, those don't come.
So we
The
have
only
to.
thing you pretty much you will have to buy is your own blankets and pillows. Because you already have the mattress.
Yeah, mattress is quite comfortable though.
So then this would be the shared bathroom. It has the two vanities. So if one person has their side and one has theirs, and they can have their space to put their stuff underneath the sink. And then all the bathrooms are the same. There's no tubs. So it's just really walk-in shower. And as you see, it's still similar, just different decor in it.
Is this included?
Yes, those are all included in each apartment. You do get the dressers, store clothes. And then this is our private. So the privates come with their own bathroom, as you know, so you don't have to share it with nobody, and it's just yours.
I see.
And it comes with the same furniture in it as well. Only difference is you don't have to worry about ever sharing your bathroom with anybody. This is our other private. Same furniture as you know, just bathroom angled differently. Alright, do you have any questions for me?
Not yet. Shreyanshu has one.
We have to buy these curtains and curtain rods, right?
So yes, you have to buy your own curtains and all your own like towels and all of that. So the only thing you will be getting is just this rod, your shower head.
Rod will be given.
Yeah, you will be given this, just not the
Okay.
shower curtain.
And what about this?
This comes here, but you do not get towels.
Bags and everything we have to get.
Yeah.
And the switchboard is, I see only one switchboard here. And
There's probably another
over
one,
there.
yeah, underneath the bed. There's probably another one on that side.
okay,
These rooms actually have a lot more than you would think.
There are two over there.
these lamps will also be included.
No, the lamps are not included.
Alright.
And two are over there also.
And also
And
another one right there.
Yeah.
One at that one also. Delete that one.
Alright.
Plenty of switchboards.